I'm Danny and welcome to BHP Cars. Today we are at Stoneleigh for the Stoneleigh Kit Car show. Now as you can hear there's lots of demonstrations to go to them later on, but I'm just going to say that last night AB Performance put on a show with a live band and free beer and a free barbecue, and I am absolutely hanging and twatted. So it's going to be very jaded, and that's why I've kind of taken the camera off my face, because I feel like absolute death. I've absolutely trashed the toilets. It's going to be a long day, but it's going to be good. So I'm going to give you a bit of an insight, but as you can see already, there's lots of AC Cobra replicas. Well, there's fucking hundreds actually, to be honest. So yeah, it's going to be a good event. So stick around, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you all in a bit.
Is that why Danny drove over it?
This is a MEV rocket. This is one of the kit cars that I will be building in the future with a bit of luck. It's something that I'm always interested in. It's kind of very track focused. It looks like it's got an 1800K series inside, but it might even be... No, it's a Z-Tech. So yeah, it's yeah, pretty awesome. Awesome little motor. So we're on the Italian replica stand. Now these are... I hate these things. I hate replicas generally as a rule, but the ones that think they're Ferraris and they're MR2s or Ford Cougars don't do it for me. I mean, this is nice as a car to look at. It's very pretty, but it ain't no Ferrari. People think that these look real. They are so fake and terrible. It's horrific. Quite cool. It's kind of like an Ultima front end on it, look. But what is it? Golden doors. Charlie Hall at UVA Fugitive. That's based on a VW Beetle, that is. Jago Jeep. These are quite basic kind of four-wheel drive vehicles. Quite good fun apparently. You see them there. Obviously Newark and the other kit car shows we've done. So as you're probably aware, I'm an absolute massive fan of the Ultima, and I am planning on having one in my collection very soon, but we're waiting on another garage to arrive where I currently have all my other garages, and I've got to see if they'll actually fit. So yeah, you never know, this may be in my collection very soon. Very cool car. Completely unpractical. But whatever, we have more Ferrari replicas, but I mean, I always thought that a replica has to actually look vaguely, remotely like them, and yeah, these, in my opinion, look nothing like a Ferrari. So yeah, moving on. Let's go and look at. Ooh, that's a Ginetta, isn't it? I think. So we've got GTM. And then another Lotus 7 type style car. Oh, it's a Raw. And then we got another shitty Ferrari replica, giving them too much airtime already. Z4, we like Z4s. This is another MEV rocket type thing, running once again 2 litre 1800 black top Ford, I think. Yeah, it looks like it to me. So we've got the same exhaust system I have on my Mojo. So yeah, all is well. Nice pedal box. Yeah, pretty mental. Fuel tank in the front. It is pretty much like the Mojo, isn't it? Ish. Not really. We're on the VW beach buggy stand and there's an awful lot of chrome and sparkly stuff. Quite funny. I like these, but far too much chrome for me to be polishing. Pretty cars though, I mean that one, I like that. That's quite tasty. Yeah, so yeah. Show's been good so far, we're enjoying walking around and it's near the end, I'm going to be heading off home soon, but yeah, it's been pretty good. So it's the end of the day now, Stoneleigh is nearly finished, we're nearly about ready to jump in, load up and go home. So thanks for watching, please do make sure you like, share, subscribe, give me the thumbs up and I'll catch you all in the next video.